Okay, so welcome back, folks. What we have here is a Jamie Lee Summers doll. We're going to attempt to fix her up a little bit. So what we got going on is I'll have to give this shirt a good clean up, maybe soak it in vinegar, get some of that yellow off of it. You see this arm, that rubber stuff they put on the dolls, pretty much all corroded through the years. So I'm going to soak this in some hot soapy water overnight. Should come off pretty easy. It's already peeling off pretty good. And we'll take these pants, we'll give them a good dye job, get them blue, dark navy blue again, and now they're purple. And then we'll see if we can do something with the hair. The hair's not too bad, but we'll see if we can tighten it up a little bit, get her ready for the party. And I'll throw this stuff in for a good washing and get her arms soaked up. And I'll be back with some results. Stand by. So what we're about to do is spiff Jamie Lee's hair up. We're going to give it a good washing and a conditioner. Oh, does that feel good, Jamie Lee? Get a little bit of the shampoo going. Get her nice and shampooed up. Put some of this conditioner on her. May need a little more conditioner, her hair's kind of thick. Okay, so I'm going to leave that conditioner on there for a couple minutes and let it do its magic. So stand by. And we're back with the finished product. So what we've done here is we gave Jamie Lee a makeover. Got her all spiffed up. So what we did was we soaked her arm in the hot water and soap, and all that corroded rubber came off of her arm. All of her bionics are still intact. We soaked this shirt of hers in bleach, got it nice and shiny again. Except this little rust stain, we couldn't get rid of that. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Then the dye job, finally got it to darken up. Still has a small tint of purple to it, but for the most part it looks pretty blue, I think. Then we got her some Cotswold socks, which I had to heat the shoes up with a hair dryer to get them over the socks. Then we cleaned her hair up. I did the best I could with a style, being a man and all. But yeah, overall happy with the way she turned out. Gonna look quite nicely on display with her two bows. Look at me, Bionic Woman. I can lift an engine block. Oh, Steve, you a masher. Yeah. Should be hours of fun. So we hope you liked the restoration video. Stay tuned for more videos. And until the next one, I am out.